There is a collaboration between A.O.SMITH and our products on today's construction site. In terms of ground installation materials, A.O. provides manifold, back panel, and water pipe. Meanwhile, we provide thermal panel which is combined with HIPS and EPS as underfloor insulation board. Generally speaking, the first step of underfloor heating installation process is to locate and install the manifold, then lay the insulation board, and finally fix the water pipe. It is worth mentioning that the A.O. water pipe type is PERT oxygen barrier, indicating that the house owner has put a lot of effort before renovation. If you want to know more about Chinese construction site and underfloor heating, please hit the subscribe button below and leave your comment.